This is my latest project. I bought this Daihatsu mini truck for $200. Pretty well gutted out, but I got another one with it that I haven't got home yet. I'm going to turn this into an electric truck. There's the transmission. I ain't got any doors, so I'm going to make some. A motor compartment. I figured there's plenty of room for batteries. I can turn this bed into like a dump bed. Put all the batteries under there, so I can flip it up whenever I need to. It's going to run on 36 volts because I have a 36 volt forklift charger. And I had a forklift motor for this thing, I thought, and that deal fell through. So any suggestions anybody could have on what kind of motors I would use on this, I'd sure appreciate it. 'Cause I'm a poor boy, I gotta find the stuff in the junkyard. And this is my latest project. I'm hoping I can get some good range and plenty of speed and power out of this because it's so small and light. I mean, it's light enough that I can lift it off the ground pretty easy. Now it's going to be considerably heavier when I get all the batteries in it. But I'm thinking I'm going to put 2 sets of batteries in here. And I'm going to fix an alternator, 36 volt alternator, either to the drive shaft or one of the wheels. That way when I'm running off of one set, the alternator is charging the other set. And when one set goes low, it automatically switches over to the other set. Now I know that ain't free energy or all that, but when I'm going down hills, I'm not using near as much battery power from one battery pack, and I should be able to extend my range quite a bit by doing that. Because you can't always charge a battery at the same time you're using it, you'll kill it. So I need 2 sets for that. Any suggestions anybody has, I'd appreciate it. And I still am working on my hydrogen stuff. It's just, I got a lot of projects. I'm fixing up my old junker trailer. And the Camaro's broke down. I've been working on it. My old orange truck's been breaking down on me. Just had so many things, I haven't had much time. I'll list a couple of my other projects on this too.